Hey YouTubers, Hike with Mike here of course. It's time for another Swamp Talk. And today's Swamp Talk is feeling good and being in a place where you need to feel good and where you always can feel good. And I think for a lot of my subscribers, the best place to clean your soul, your mind, your spirit is nature, and get away from concrete bosses, nonsense, policies, bureaucracies, and all that crazy stuff that you have to deal with all the time. And just get out in what is real. This is real right here. There's no policy for this. There's no memo for this. You don't have to go to a meeting for this. This is just something to enjoy and take in and respect. Don't pollute in here. Don't litter in here. Don't harm it, because this is what is magic. This is what is the real world. This is Earth. This is Mother Nature. Not some fancy art museum or, a 4-lane highway, parkway, nonsense like that. No, this is reality here. This is what it comes down to. Because you could live without the parkway, the city, but you can't live without what sustains you, which is life. We need to celebrate it. We need to protect it, because 20 acres an hour are lost in Florida for more golf communities, for retirees, and it's not healthy. This is what's important. This is what makes people feel good. It's good medicine.